Today we're back in the field at the Elstar. So we are picking Elstar today, and this is the second pick. And we decided to not finish the whole field, as we still have a lot of apples on the tree, which are still too green. So we don't want to pick them now. So it means we will be doing at least a third pick. I don't think we will do a fourth pick if I look at the amount that keeps hanging. But I think it's going to be a nice third pick. So this afternoon it's actually more than 30 degrees again, which means we need to sprinkle, otherwise the apples will burn. And we just did the second pick of Elstar, so it means that the third pick just came into the sun, and we really can't have that they burn on the first day sun of the year, as they have always been in the shadow of the other apples. So it's really important that we sprinkle now to prevent these apples from burning on the tree. So we just finished the second pick of Elstar in this field. And we still have some apples left for a third pick, but they don't have any color yet. So we really need to wait until they turn red a bit more, and then we will have a nice third pick. It's not a lot as you see, but there is still some apples left in the trees, and they just need to color before we can pick them. So it's looking good so far. Now let's head into the next field. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you get a notification when the next video comes online. It's harvest time, so a lot more videos will follow. Thank you for watching.